Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back on another video. Before I start the video, I'd like to thank 70mai for sending this out. I think that's how you say the name, or is it 70mai? I don't know. So they sent me this Dashcam. So this is a 70mai Dashcam 4K A800SE set. So the set is all this included, obviously. So you get 4K video recording. I believe it's at 30 FPS, which is quite decent. HDR and dual channel recording. So it's got a front camera and a rear one for you, which is good as well. And this one takes up to 512 GB, I believe. Alright, so how much does this cost? Right now it's on sale with the SD card, £108 basically. So that's on sale, which is decent. Otherwise normally it's 140 something. Let me see, 142 with the SD card, but it's on sale right now. And if you buy it without the SD card, it costs more right now for 120. So get it while it's on sale, I guess. Right guys, so what should we unbox first? We'll have a look at the actual box first. So it's shrink wrapped. Let me take this out. Oh, that came out nicely. Very beautiful packaging actually. For a 4K camera, that's not a bad price, to be fair. Because just a few years ago I paid for 1080p 50 quid almost. Oh, what's that? Nothing there, it's just a wrapper. Wow. Now that, these guys know how to do a branding. Look at that. Shiny metallic. You see, the box itself is all shiny metallic. Very nice chrome. Okay, so we got 70mai. We've had a look at this side. Let's have a look on this side. So yeah, the packaging is really nice, beautiful. But yeah, my flash is reflecting badly on that. There you go. Okay, so we got 4K 30 FPS like I said, and 1080p 30 FPS on the back camera. Dual channel recording, so you can record both at the same time if you connect them together. Super night vision with f1.55 and HDR, which is really good. That means it'll be very good at night. Got G sensor collision detection, 24-hour parking surveillance. It's got built-in GPS, app control with Wi-Fi built-in. I believe it's 2.4 gigahertz or something, which is normal, but it's fast apparently. We'll see. Supports up to 512 GB SD card size. So yeah, I've already said that one. Dual channel recording. It's got super capacitor instead of a battery, so that means over time this will not basically lose. It'll still be like new basically all the time, whereas a battery loses capacity over time, doesn't it? Whereas a super capacitor is always just filling up and losing charge. That's it. It doesn't really lose any capacity, does it? It stays. So yeah, that'll last all the time, which is good. Built-in GPS and ADAS, voice control, buffered emergency recording. It's got Wi-Fi 6 and parking surveillance. Nothing else there. Oh, there's bottom here as well. Let's turn the flash back on. Can't even see any of that. There you go. Put at this angle for you. So this is 128 GB. Oh, did they give me a SD card? I think they gave me a free SD card, yeah. So this is the one with the SD card model. Nice of them. So I got a free SD card. So product is Dashcam. Input 5 volts at 2 amps. Field of view is 140 degrees for the front camera. f1.55. So the model number is A800SE-1. 4K is 2160p obviously. 380/40 by 2160. The screen is 3 inches. That's the contact details. Let's have a look inside. Ooh. It's a very heavy box by the way. Well, you do have 2 cameras in there, so would expect it. So this will be all your manuals. Now this is a very premium packaging. It reminds me of like a Samsung packaging. They keep all the manuals in one place on the top. Nice inside. It's very beautiful packaging. Please remove before use. Of course I will. I don't like screen protectors. Bam. Look at that. Tinted. Oh shit. 1 second, guys. Where's my bloody food? What the hell's going on? I've ordered some food, guys, but nothing's come yet. Okay, we got camera lens here as well. Screen protector, I mean, come on. That's a lot harder to take. Oh. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of screen protectors. I always take them off straight away. People keep them on, like my family. Don't know why. Okay, so in here you have wires. What the hell? Give you a pick for some reason. I'm trying to think why. Maybe to do cable management. There's a mount of some sort. I think that's 3M on this side. Yeah, looks like it. That's your 3M mount, I'm guessing. This will be a charger, I'm guessing. Yep. 12-volt socket charger. Oh, it's a fast charging one, I think. Maybe, because it does have the cooler there. We'll find out. 9 volts. No, it's not fast charging. Actually, it might be. Could be, because it's got the high voltage at 1 amps. Okay, we'll find out. And you got 2 wires here. So one will be for your front camera, one will be for your back camera. So I'm guessing the longer one will be for the back one. And it's got different type of connector, can you see? USB-C to this circle thing. Then you got USB-C to USB. Okay. Nothing else there. Now let's get the actual dashcams out. Carefully. Oh, there you go, guys. Wow. It's actually quite lightweight. So where the hell was all that weight? I think it might be this back camera. Okay, so yeah. It's got heavy ventage on the top, so it's not going to overheat at all. Look how heavy that ventage is. My router doesn't even have that much venting. Even on the side they got venting like that. That's really nice. Even the bottom, every single side has ventage on it. Right, so yeah. These are your buttons. I'll find out what they do when we plug them in. Okay, there's your ventage. There's your mount. So I'm guessing you have to clip this onto here. So we'll do that when we put on the car. Nothing else really there. So this camera, can I move it by hand, or does it have to be? Does it move? Or is it fixed position? I don't know, guys. Does this camera actually move? Oh, it does. It does. Very slowly, but it moves. So it's got a motor in there. You might be able to electronically control it. I'm not sure. We'll find out later on the app or the manual or something. You got power button there, or record, emergency record button, I think. That's what it looks like. Got speaker on that side. Micro SD card. DC in and out. AV in and out as well. Oh, so that one of the USB-C, this dodgy one, this weird one, that will go into the AV in, and then this dodgy end will go into the back of that one, which is pretty cool actually. So we'll have 2 views. Right. Wait, so that means all the power is coming straight from one connection of this one, which is pretty cool actually. That's really good. You don't need 2 power supplies. Wow, that is a very short cable. Can you see? So that's your back camera. This one twists itself or not? Maybe. Yeah, it does. This one's more like a yeah, some next level thing. And it looks like a ventage or speakers on the back as well. Got 3M tape there as well, sticker. So yeah, we'll set this one up as well. This is a pretty decent camera. Yeah, there's your weird connector thing. Right, I'll move this out of the way. The actual camera. So yeah, we've had a look at everything now. We'll just see what else is there. These are the manuals, I'm guessing, and the warranty probably. Oh. Wow. Place this sticker to let passerby know property is monitored by. What the hell? It's a nice sticker though. But yeah, I don't want to put this in my car. Oh, they give you another one. What the hell? Oh, it's for your front and back, I guess. There's your user manual. That is a small manual. Okay, it's a small manual, but it's in 3 languages: English, Chinese, and either Russian or Polish. I don't know. I think it's Russian. But it starts with a P, so it might be Polish. I don't know. Tell me, guys, what that is. Pisiki, Piki, Kiki, Niki, Niki. I don't know what that is, guys. Okay, English, please. Where's the English? I don't know Chinese. There you go, guys. This is what I know. Thank you 70mai again for sending this out. It's a very nice product, guys. Very nice. Alright. So rear camera and party mount. Okay, rear camera, rear signal wire. Yes, okay. Rear camera is used as accessory for 70mai in car products and needs to be installed. Okay. After the rear camera is installed and connected with the main device, the rear camera can record and store the image from the rear of the vehicle. Okay, thank you very much. The rear camera is powered on by the main device. Yeah, so it's all powered from one place. The main device stops, the rear camera turns on automatically. The main device okay. The image acquired by the rear camera is stored in the memory card of the main device automatically. Okay. Yeah, but I think you'd need a bigger than 120 gigs card, by the way, if you're using both cameras at 4K. Well, one's going to be 4K, one's going to be 1080p, but it's still a lot of storage, because my 1080p with 256 gigs in records for about 12 hours or something. So yeah, was it 2 days? No, 12 hours, I think. 12 hours or 2 days, I can't remember, one of the two. But it's not a lot of hours, so in 4K you're going to be making a lot more space, plus you're recording 2 things at once as well now. So yeah, it's going to be quite a thingy. Yeah, this is how you install it. Okay, very nice. So we'll do the installation video soon, if I do a video on it anyway, because I do have a dashcam on already on my car. But yeah, we'll see. There's your customer card. For any problems, contact them. That's how you contact them. This is the free SD card they give. Micro SD HD. XC means extra capacity, 120 gigs. Okay, U3 speeds. I don't know, can't remember. That's good enough. It must be good enough. So it's up to 100 MB speed, high speed read, more pictures, HD video. I usually use SanDisk because I trust SanDisk. But yeah, for now we'll use this because the price of memory cards are very expensive now. Because scammers, they're all scammers now. Oh, they give you some screen protectors as well if you want it. But I don't plan to use a screen protector. Is that for that? What was that fit for? They gave the screen protector, but what's it for? It's so big. That's way too big. Unless you want to cut it down, I don't know. There's quite a few actually. Ah, my leg. Okay. Wow. Okay, now we got an actual user manual. English, French, Italian, Dutch. Okay, this is quite big, so I'll leave this one. We'll read that some other time. That's just probably telling you how to use the apps and stuff. Oh, they give us a hardware kit. Okay, on to the next stuff now. Let's have a look. Have a look at this first. So this is a polarizing kit or something. CPL filter. So this will basically, when the sun is out, it'll not like flash you, basically. Like it won't affect the camera. And summer's coming, so this is a really good time for that actually. Okay. Don't take all that off. Okay. Yeah, I do like the packaging. Very beautiful. Wow, look at that. So there's your filter. So I'm gonna apply it to my camera right now. See what happens. Oh, that's very nice. Can you see the difference? It makes it more black. I think it's supposed to go on this way, or which way, I don't know. But yeah, can you see? Everything looks more black. So that's gonna basically block out the sunlight for you. Can you see it's black compared to the white there? So in a way it's good and bad, but I have a tinted windshield, so I'm not going to use that, because then it'll make the camera too black. So the reason I tinted my windshield, because I used to get blinded at night by people's lights. So I've got it legal tint as well now, so it does help a lot. You're not getting blinded as much. So yeah, now this is the hardwire kit. I don't know why it's black and gold, but it looks really nice. Wow, hardwire kit. So this, I believe, will be straight to the fuse box. So let's have a look what's inside, if I can open it with my own hand. Yes, I got it. What is this? Another user manual? Oh, that's for the hardwire kit though. Oh, look at that. That is a hefty hardwire kit. Oh, they actually give the wires. Ah, I thought it was going to be like the fuse top ones, but no, it's an actual wire one. So you'd have to do some proper wiring there for you. You got USB-C, a big long one with like resistors and all that stuff's inside here basically. Okay, so you got your red for the power, black for ground, and then yellow's accessory. So I don't know what I would do. I don't know, we'll see. I've never hardwired before like that. I usually just run it off my USBs. So yeah, I don't plan to do hardwiring, but it's nice of them to include it. Alright guys, thank you 70mai for sending this out. I'll make a video soon of a daytime performance and nighttime performance. I might make a video on the installation as well, we'll see, and anything else I see or whatever. So yeah, I'll leave a link in the description to buy it. I do have an affiliate link, I believe, somewhere. I'll have to find it. If not, it'll be just Amazon link or straight to the website link, we'll see. So yeah, thank you 70mai again for sending this out. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. Good night.